Hello all. So today you are discussing concept is the clock. So this concept is very most important nowadays in our competitive examinations. So minimum from this concept onwards they are asking questions 2 to 5 questions. 2 to 5 questions 5 marks. So very most important in banking exams, in railway and SSC examinations and civil service exams and groups. So these all competitive examinations, this is the very most important concept. Okay, now we are going to discuss concept clock. See, in clock which shape is there? Circular shape. Circular shape is like this. In a clock actually three hands are there. One is the hour hand and the second one is the minute hand and the third one is seconds hand. But whenever if you are solving clock related questions, no need to consider the what is seconds hand. That's why you remember whenever if you are solving clock related questions, just you consider the what are two hands. One is the hour hand and the second one is the minute hand. Clear? Okay. Next one. About in clock. See, about in clock. A clock has how many hands are there? Just now I told you two hands. What is the two hands? One is the hour hand, second one is the minute hand. Smaller one always you consider the what here? Hour hand. Smaller one is this one. In the smaller one always you consider the what here? Hour hand. And the larger one always you consider the what here? Minute hand. So larger one means this is the minute hand, this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. So means totally in this clock, how many equal parts are there? 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts means now for example if you take in between of 12 to 1 means how many hours here? 1 hour. Means how many spaces are there? 5 spaces. But totally 12. 12 multiplied by 5. That's why how many spaces are there? 60 spaces. Then 60 equal parts they are calling. Clear? Okay, next one. Okay, next one is the very most important concept, angle pattern. So angle pattern means here, so two type of angles is there. One is the hour angle. One is the hour angle. And the second one is the minute angle. Second one is the minute angle. So very most important this concept. So be careful everyone. So hour angle. So in a clock means what which shape is there? Circular shape. So in a clock how many hours are there? 12 hours. But clock means how many degrees? 300 degrees. Clock means how many degrees? 300 degrees. So 12 hours equal 360 degrees means then 1 hour means how many degrees here? 30 degrees. 1 hour means 30 degrees. So this is the very most important. And next one, in 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 1 hour equal 30 degrees means then 1 hour 60 minutes means how many degrees we can take? 30 degrees. Then in hour and angle, 1 minute means how many degrees here? 30 divided by 60 means how much you will get? Half degree. So this is also very most important. So nowadays in competitive examination they ask question like this. In hour and angle, 1 minute means how many degrees means? Then what do you say? Half degrees. I think clear for everyone. Okay, now coming to the what here, now you are going minute angle. So minute angle means how many degree here, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. 60 minutes means how many degrees? Circular shape means 360 degrees. 60 minutes is equal 360 degrees. Then 1 minute equal how many degrees? 6 degrees. 1 minute means how many degrees? 6 degrees. And max number of persons they are confusing in between of these two. So in hour and angle 1 minute equal half degree. In minute angle 1 minute equal what? 6 degrees. If they are asking question in minute angle 1 minute equal how many degrees means then what you said? 6 degrees. In hour angle 1 minute equal how many degrees? What do you say? Half degree. Half degree means 1/2 degrees. Don't confuse in between of hour angle and minute angle. I think clear for everyone. Okay. Next, I'm going next one. Okay, next one, very most important concept this one. So if you take In theta equal to how many degrees? 0 degrees. 0 degrees means what? Both ends are what here? Coincide. 0 degrees means both ends are coincide. I am writing like this. See, both ends are coincide. Yes, both ends are coincide. So both ends are coincide means here how many minutes are there? 0 minutes. 0 minutes. Next one, in angle equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees means what? Right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle. In between of these two ends, how many degrees are there? 90 degrees. But how many minute space is there here? How many minute space? 15 minute space. Don't confuse. Next one, theta equal to 180 degrees. Theta equal 180 degrees. 180 degrees means now both ends are opposite each other. Both ends are opposite degrees. In between of these two ends, how many degrees are there? 180 degrees. Then how many minute space is there? 30 minutes. How many minute space is there? 30 minutes. So now difference of what here in these three. See everyone, very very most important concept. So 0 degrees. 0 degrees means both ends are coincide every 1 hour. Every 1 hour. How many times both ends are coincide? One time. Both ends are coincident every 1 hour. How many times coincide? One time only. If you take in a clock means how many hours are there? 12 hours. In 12 hours both ends are coincident. Max number of person they are saying the what? 12 times. So 1 hour 1 time means 12 hours 12 times. No, it's 11 times only. So where you getting the problem? Where you getting the problem? In between of in a clock 11 to 1. In a clock in between of 11 to 1, both ends are coincide one time only. That is exactly in 12 o'clock. That is exactly in the 12 o'clock. Clear? That's why in 12 hours both ends are coincide. How many times you are getting? 11 times only. For example, if you take in 24 hours both ends are coincide how many times? 22 times only. 22 times only. Clear? I think clear for everyone. Everyone remember the what are these values. Nowadays in competitive examination they are asking direct values. Okay, first listen everyone, then after then I explain briefly. So where you are getting 11 times only. Okay, next one, theta equal 90 degrees. 90 degrees means here 90 degrees means right angle triangle. So every 1 hour in our clock to form the what are how many right angles? 2 right angles. Then 12 hours. In 12 hours means how many right angles you are getting? 1 hour 2 means 12 multiplied by 2, 24 max number of persons say. No, in 12 hours means how many right angles you are getting? 22 right angles only. Now where you getting the problem? In between of 2 to 4. In between of 2 to 4. 2 to 4 means how many hours gap is there? 2 hours. So 1 hour 2 means 2 hours means 4. But in our clock to form the what? 2 to 4, 3 right angles only. In the exactly opposite of 2 to 4, 8 to 10. So 8 to 10 is also 2 hours gap. But here also to form the in our clock 3 right angles only. That's why you are getting in 12 hours 22 right angles only. Next, if you take in a day how many hours? 24 hours. In 24 hours in our clock to form the what are how many right angles? 44. So one exam they asking directly question. In a day in our clock to form the what are how many right angles? 44 is the answer. That's why remember the what are values. These are basics. Once if you know basics, then you can solve the questions very easy manner. Okay, I think clear for everyone. First these two. So both ends are coincident, and next one right angle triangle. Next one. Okay, next is this one. Opposite each other means both ends are opposite each other 180 degrees. So every 1 hour both ends are opposite each other. How many times? One time. Every 1 hour one time only you are getting. In 12 hours. So 12 hours means some people they are saying 12 times, not 12 times, 11 times only. Now where are you getting the problem? In between of 5 to 7. In between of 5 to 7. How many hours gap here? 2 hours. In between of 5 to 7. Both ends are opposite each other. How many times? One time. That is exactly in the 6 o'clock. That is exactly in the 6 o'clock. That's why you are getting in 12 hours both ends are opposite each other. How many times? 11 times. Now if you take in 24 hours both ends are opposite each other. How many times you are getting in 24 hours? 22 times. In 12 hours 11 times means in 24 hours is the 22 times. I think clear for everyone. So now I am giving one tabular form regarding this one, then you can understand very easily. Okay, now see, first you can take here theta equal to 0 degrees, next theta equal to 90 degrees, next theta equal to 180 degrees. So this is the angle I am taking. I am writing here angle. I am writing angle. Next here take 1 hour. Next one 12 hours. Next one 24 hours. Okay. Now see, in both ends are coincident how many times? Every 1 hour? 1 time. So 12 hours means 11 times. In 24 hours means 22 times. In right angle triangle, every 1 hour how many right angles you are getting? 2 right angles. In 12 hours means 22. In 24 hours or 1 day means both are same only. So 44 times. Clear? Next one. 180 degrees. Both ends are opposite each other. Every 1 hour, 1 time. In 12 hours means 11 times. So in 24 hours means 22 times. So this is the tabular form regarding that one. So remember everyone, from this basic concepts only they are asking. Minimum one question they are asking. Okay, I think clear for everyone. Okay, next concept. Okay, what is the next concept? Gain of minute and over hour and. So this is the very most important concept. So this is the very most important concept. Now see, during 1 hour both ends are run, minute and run the water 60 minutes. But hour and run only 5 minutes spaces. So in the hour and, in minute and to gain the water how many? 55 minutes gain in the water hour and. So this is the important point. So if you take in a clock, so this is the clock. If you take year 12, next one year 3, year 6, next one 9. If you take year 1 and 2. So if you take both answer coincide here only hour and next one is the minute hand. So first minute hour hand to travel. Whenever hour hand to travel the water from 12 to 1. But minute hand to travel the water 12 to 12. So minute hand to travel 60 minutes means 60 parts. Okay, I am taking one part equal 1 minute. But hour hand to travel the water how many parts? 5 parts only. That's why 5 parts means 5 minutes. So 5 minutes. So how much you will get here? 55 minutes gain. So that value only I am taking here. 55 minutes gain. But you spend the how much time? 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. So always gain values you can take left side and correct values you can take the water right side. I repeat once again, gain values always you can take left side and the correct values you can take the water right side. So now here 55 minutes gain you spend the time 1 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Next, if you want 1 minute gain, yes, this left side value you can take right side. Then what will get? 60 by 55. If you calculate, then what will get? 12 by 11. Again, if you calculate, then what will get? 1 by 11 minute. So if you want to gain 1 minute gain, then you spend the time how much time? 1 by 11 minute. Clear? Next one. If you want 5 minutes gain, simply multiply that one. So 12 by 11 multiplied by 5 means then what will get? 60 by 11. If you that proper fraction converted into mixed fraction means then what will get? 5 by 11 minutes. So if you want 5 minute gain, then you spend the how much time? 5 by 11 minutes. 5 by 11 minutes. Next one. If you want 15 minutes gain, then you spend the how much time? 4 by 11 minutes. But my question is, if I want 60 minutes gain, if I want 60 minutes gain, then you spend the how much time? Then what to take here? 12 by 11 multiply by 60. Then if you calculate, then what will get? 720 by 11. Again if you calculate, then what will get? 65 by 11 minutes. So this is the very most important. This is the very most important. So if you want 60 minutes gain, then you spend the how much time? 65 5 by 11 minutes. Then what is the meaning of that one? So every 1 hour, just now I told you now, every 1 hour both answer coincident. That is not in every 1 hour. So after every 65 5 by 11 minutes only, both answer coincident. That's why you are getting in 12 hours in our clock coincident how many times? 11 times. This is the reason only. Clear for everyone? I repeat once again, 60 minutes gain. You spend the how much time? 65 5 by 11 minutes. So after every 65 5 by 11 minutes only, both answer coincident. That's why you are getting in 12 hours. How many times both answer coincident in our clock? 11 times only coincident. This is the reason. I think clear for everyone. Clear? Okay, next one. Next one. Remember the what here? Fast. Fast. Next one is the what here? Remember the what here? The fast. A straight line they are asking in our examinations. So straight line means you can take 0 degrees is also straight line, and next one is the what here? Both answer what here? Opposite each other also straight line. So 0 degrees. This is also straight line. And next one is the what here? 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is also straight line. If you take this the 0 degrees, this is the 180 degrees. If they are asking straight line means you consider both. You consider the what here? Both. For example, in 24 hours. In 24 hours, 0 degrees means both answer coincident how many times here? 22 times. 180 degrees how many times? 22 times. In a day means how many times you are getting? 44 times. But max number of persons this type of questions, straight line means they are taking only 0 degrees only they are taking. You have to take what? 180 degrees is also straight line. But 99.9% 9% people they choose the answer this question 22 times only. That is the wrong answer. Then what is the correct answer? 44 times is the correct answer. So I will get 44 times. 0 degree is the straight line. 180 degrees also straight line. That's why you can take both. So 24, 44 times is the answer. Clear? Okay, next one. Next one, slow and fast. Next one, slow and fast. This is the very most important concept. For example, watch indicates the what here? 9:20. For example, watch indicates the what here? 9:20. This is the what here? Watch. Means correct clock. Watch indicates the what here? Indicate the what here? 9:20. But correct time is, this is the indication. But correct time is 9:10. But correct time is 9:10. So 9:10. Then this 10 minutes here, difference how much from here to here? 10 minutes. The 10 minutes is the what here? Slow or fast? The 10 minutes is the what here? Fast. The 10 minutes is the fast. Clear? Okay, now I am taking one more example. Now, for example, correct time is 9:10. This is the correct time is 9:10. Next one, but clock indicates the what here? 9. Clock indicates the what here? 9. So this is the indication clock. So this is the correct time. Then if you take here, the now difference here how much? 10 minutes. That 10 minutes is the slow or fast? That 10 minutes is the what here? Slow. Clear for everyone? Don't confuse in between of slow and fast. So you compare every clock in the what here? Correct time. So in this case, correct time is the 9:10. Here 9:20. Here 10 minutes is the what here? Fast. Now here 10 minutes is the what here? Slow. So now this is the example of slow and fast. I think clear for everyone. Okay. Clock concept is the what here? Done. So next class, so next video I cover the what here? Discuss the questions in regarding clock. So our channel is the what here? SN Logics. So one app is also there. You can download from Play Store onwards this app. Okay. Thank you for everyone. Have a nice day, and please like and share and subscribe. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for everyone. Have a nice day and enjoy.